Hello guys and welcome back to OTR channel, a channel featuring some of the most exciting and best road moments captured on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight for this one, because you'll definitely enjoy. Bad drivers are among us, and hopefully you'll learn a thing or two based on all the mistakes the camera caught in this video. In case you ever wondered how not to change lanes, well, this is the video for you guys. Make sure to learn from this mistake and never behave like this driver here. What about this champion right here? This guy is acting really reckless. He was speeding on the road and he didn't even use his turn signals, nor did he check his side view mirrors as he forced his way in front of the camera. This type of behavior will eventually lead him to an accident. Note to all pedestrians, please use crosswalk while crossing the road.
Because you wouldn't know what was going on if it wasn't for a paperboy. And you think of all the amazing people out there now who once upon a time were paperboys. Making this world spin that little bit faster, and we forget about some of the action.
Driver caused a head-on collision, but that's not the craziest part. He got out of his car and started running on foot. The cops saw it all, and they gave also chase. Check out this crazy footage. It doesn't even come as a surprise nowadays with these crazy drivers that an accident can occur. But the shocking part here is that the driver who caused an accident tried to flee the scene. That's a big no-no. We have a crazy van driver who doesn't even bother looking at his side mirrors while changing lanes. Luckily, the camera was well aware and he managed to brake on time. There was absolutely nothing blocking the trucker's view, and yet he decided to pull out onto the road and nearly cause a heavy wreck.
Is he running the light? You gotta be kidding me. Wow. Oh shit. Can't make this up. The fuck?
Select the road chains when they weren't necessary. The plow on the shoulder is going faster than I am. Fucking jackass! Dude! What the fucking hell? Literally, what the hell?
Amazon truck driver was in such a hurry that he nearly hit the camera as he went to the exit. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on CHRONOS channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable. After all, we will really appreciate that. And if you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because that will mean the world. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.